Hi all. So hope you are doing well. So important tip for all our April 2024 Actuarial Science planners. So irrespective of whichever subject you are planning, now we always end up indulging in rigorous study during February or March in case we are planning for April, and that is the time when we are very anxious, when we develop lack of confidence, we feel we don't know the exam because the reason is that we start the exam late. So we have been getting multiple queries on a daily basis after the ifoa exams are over that what's the right time to start for April attempt. So guys, this is the right time to start preparing for your April exams, and the important tip is that you just have to be consistent with your exam preparation. So even if you give us like 1 to 1.5 hours on a daily basis and just proceed as per the targets that we are sharing for the subjects, it will help you in clearing your exam without getting any pressure. Because if you start early, you can manage your other commitments as well accordingly, and you can manage your videos, you can manage your classes, tests and assignments completely as per the targets and the deadlines that we are assigning to you. So we will be coming up with these short videos where we will be simply discussing the important tips and tricks to proceed well for exams. So do subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channel for all the updates. Thank you.